Here's a rig that has quite the following. The old Toyota Land Cruisers, also known as FJ40s. This particular one, 1974 model year. Not positive if this is the Dune Beige or the Standard Beige. I know they had a couple different beige colors. This particular vehicle spent the majority of its life out west, and I'll kind of go around some things and show you as far as the panels. A lot of the areas on this, it does appear to be a very solid vehicle. And I'll tell you where to check out the still pictures of this too here in just a little bit. But first off, start up front. Winch system set up. Brand new tires, by the way. This vehicle also has a new starter. Underneath the hood, F-code engine, which 3.9 liter, inline 6-cylinder in Toyota circles, known as Old Reliable. Cast iron block, as nearly bulletproof as you could get. And you can check out the still pictures of that engine bay. You'll see it has power brakes. You'll be able to see the stamping on the side of the engine. Check out the underside pics, interior pics, all the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out on this one. Now, you are going to see, you know, some, I guess I'd call it patina, some aging, what have you. But as far as rust through, holes, anything like that, you just don't see it. Yeah, I mean, there's little surface rust, little scratches, kind of what you'd expect in an original vehicle of this age. But you know, bottom of the gas door, anything like that, not rusted out. You don't see it up around the top of the wheel wells, and these, they look like original panels to me. You can see where it's been redone up a little bit on the inside as far as maybe interior vinyl coverings, and but as far as the interior, looks very, very original. Floors and everything, I think that they have been touched up with a little paint, but as far as the metal and what have you, they sure look original. 74, I believe, was the last year. The American versions would have had that roll bar in them, and I believe that's the first year it was standard. The American versions of that roll bar. Kind of nicely that closes. Yeah, remember, you're talking about an early, basically sport utility vehicle. Again, tires are brand new. You'll be able to see pictures in the back where the jump seats are, the floor, jump seats up, jump seats down, in with those still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the shipping, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. When I start it up and get it running, I'll pop this back for you too, show you how nicely everything opens up. In the still pictures, you can look at the bottoms of the doors. They're not full of holes. Yes, there's some surface rust. You're going to have that in a very original vehicle of this age. But again, look around the wheel wells. Downs in the corner of the doors lots of times. Solid. Patina and surface rust I'm talking about right there. But again, don't see any rust through, anything like that. Alright, let's go ahead. I'm going to start this up. This thing will fire right up. Now, there is a choke. FYI, I have had the wipers working. Oil pressure gauge has been added. That works. Did not appear that this oil pressure gauge worked. Fuel gauge worked. Temp gauge, I'm assuming, will come up with water temperature. And the amp seemed to work. Blower fan worked. Stereo power's on, but I noticed underneath the hood it does not have an antenna hooked up to it, as you do not see one on the vehicle. Let's go ahead and start this up. Choke could be right here. If it was cold, I'd pull that out just a tad. It would fire right up, but I think we'll be good here. There we go. And if I do pull the choke out, it's just going to raise the idle up a tad bit. Anyway, we'll leave it. It's running very well, starts easily. Of course, this would have a 4-speed transmission, and then the 4x4 is going to have basically high 2 range, 2-wheel drive, high 4-wheel, and then a low 4-wheel, and of course neutral. Again, very original looking on the inside. I'm going to pop that back door open when I open up this hood and everything for you. Very smooth running, 3.9 liter engine. Just how you'd expect it to sound. Of course, the F block engine is carbureted, which a lot of people like about it, so you don't have the electronics. A lot simpler design. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop this hood and open up that rear so we can get a little better look at this vehicle. Alright, so I got the hood open, the engine running. Let's do this first and we'll go look at the rear of it. And there's your inline 6. You can see how smooth that thing runs. Good it sounds. Again, new starter was put on it. This is the original underside of that hood. I do have a picture of the tag as far as engine displacement. On that one, I think it has cubic inches, 236.7 cubic inches. And again, you can see this is the original paint, original engine bay. Another tag down here I'll try to get a picture of and have that online as good as I can get the picture of that. There is the VIN number, serial number in the car. That's on the door jamb also. The power brakes. Air cleaner set up. Nice running engine. Alright, I'm going to shut it off here a second, and I want to open up the rear of this so we can check out the passenger jump seats and compartment back there. Rear end is opened up here. Lift gate, and again here, take a look up along there as far as how solid that is, and again, not all rusted out. Doors both in nice shape. I believe this mat has been added and cut, but take a look underneath here. And again, you can see this all in the still pictures. Look at how solid that is. And again, appears to be original floors to me. Of course, the jump seats will fold up. See the fender wells from the inside. Let's go ahead and raise this one up too. And now we welcome third-party inspectors. You want to have somebody come take a look at this for you. If you want to come see it yourself, more than happy to let you take a look at this one. And again, any questions, 507-386-1726. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the underside, interior, engine bay. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. 1974 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. Give us a call.